The 361 Multicap PMS follows a disciplined value investing approach using its proprietary SCDV framework. It has delivered impressive since inception returns, but recent performance tells a different story. The key question is, does its long-term track record justify staying invested today? This video provides insights into the performance of the PMS. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. First, let us look at the fund's snapshot. Inception November 2013, benchmark BSE 500 TRI, AUM 3056 crores, minimum investment rupees 50 lakhs, portfolio 20 to 25 stocks, large cap based multi-cap strategy, fixed fee 2.5% per annum. It uses the proprietary SCDV investment framework. Next, investment philosophy focus on quality businesses available at reasonable valuations, follows a concentrated value conscious approach. No evidence of style drift since inception. The investment process has remained disciplined despite recent underperformance. Next, let us look at the suitability. This PMS may be suitable for investors with genuine 7 to 10 year investment horizon, and investors without significant large cap or flexi cap mutual fund exposure, and investors who believe in value investing and can tolerate temporary underperformance. This PMS may not be suitable for investors evaluating performance over a 3 to 5 year horizon, and investors already holding diversified large cap or flexi cap mutual funds, and investors expecting consistent benchmark beating returns after fees. Next, performance review. Key numbers: negative alpha across 1, 2, 3 and 5 years. Since inception, the PMS continues to outperform the benchmark by 4.89% annually. Key observation: performance has been mixed across calendar years. More importantly, the recent trailing periods have lagged the benchmark. However, recent 1 month, 3 month and 6 month returns show improving downside protection. Long-term performance remains strong. However, investors judging performance over the last 3 to 5 years have experienced benchmark underperformance. Next, fee reality. The PMS charges a 2.5% annual management fee. Since inception, the long-term alpha has justified this fee. But over the last 3 to 5 years, net returns have trailed even a low-cost index fund. The premium fee is currently difficult to justify based on recent performance. Next, let us look at the illustration. If you invest rupees 50 lakhs, over the 5-year period, PMS wealth is around 6.7 lakhs, lower than a low-cost index fund, and over a 7-year period, the difference widens to approximately 11.7 lakhs. Next, zero-based thinking test. Ask yourself one question. If I were starting fresh today, would I invest rupees 50 lakhs into this PMS again? If the answer is no, then the existing investment should be reconsidered. Staying invested purely because money is already invested is a classic sunk cost trap. Every additional year means paying 2.5% fee, accepting below index returns, and losing a potential opportunity elsewhere. Next, decision factor scorecard. First, let us look at the positives and then we can move on to negatives. Positives: strong since inception alpha, excellent downside protection in recent corrections, consistent investment process, experienced and stable fund management team, comfortable AUM with no capacity concern. Next, we move on to concerns. Negative alpha across 1, 2, 3 and 5 years. Premium fee not justified over recent periods. Significant overlap with large cap and flexi cap mutual funds. Better suited for long-term investors than a typical 3 to 5 year investment horizon. Next, core portfolio architecture question. Before deciding, ask yourself, does this PMS genuinely improve my portfolio or simply duplicate what I already own? If your portfolio already contains large cap or flexi cap mutual funds, perform stock level overlap check before continuing. What a genuinely complementary PMS looks like. A good satellite PMS should provide exposure unavailable through mutual funds, deliver consistent net of fee alpha, have low overlap with existing mutual fund holdings, clearly justify its higher fee through genuine differentiation. Next, exit consideration. Exit load depends on your client agreement and share class. Taxation: long-term capital gains above rupees 1.25 lakhs taxed at 12.5%. Short-term capital gains taxed at 20% plus cess. Tax is calculated stock by stock, not at the portfolio level. Practical tip: if exiting, consider doing so gradually to improve tax efficiency. Don't base the decision solely on recent performance. Consider fees, overlap, and investment horizon. Here is a quick summary what works and what doesn't work. First, what works? Strong since inception alpha 4.89% annual, and recent downside protection has improved. Experienced and stable investment team, disciplined investment process. What doesn't work? Underperformed benchmark across 1 year to 5 year period. 1 year return of negative 3.95% while benchmark was nearly flat. Large cap based portfolio may overlap with mutual funds. Premium fee not justified over recent years. Here are the key takeaways. Strong long-term performance with 4.89% annualized alpha since inception. Recent performance has lagged the benchmark across 1, 2, 3 and 5 years. Downside protection has improved during recent market corrections. A 50 lakh investment trails a low-cost index fund by 6.7 lakhs over 5 years and 11.7 lakhs over 7 years. Portfolio overlap with existing mutual funds should be checked before investing. The strategy is better suited for investors with a 7+ year investment horizon. Here is our final verdict. 361 Multicap PMS is a disciplined strategy with a strong long-term track record. However, recent performance has not justified its premium fee. If you already own diversified mutual funds, first assess portfolio overlap and ask the zero-based thinking question before deciding to stay invested. For long-term investors who believe in the investment process, patience may still be rewarded, but the recent numbers warrant a careful review. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to a financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.